जगह पर जरूर पहुंचते हैं। देर से बनो पर जरूर कुछ बनो, क्योंकि वक्त से कुदरत हैसियत पूछती है। तो आप अपनी काबिलियत बनाइए और देखिए कुदरत आपको किस तरह से एंडाउ करती है विद रिसोर्सेज, राइट? सो created with a certain level of conditioning which has come from your past experience. But now as the time is evolving, your pathways are standing against you and you don't know how to break them. When you transcend your own formations, which are the neuron transmissions, which are the pathways that you have created, you would be able to transcend your own limited conditioned self and then being able to restructure, redesign, re-engineer, represent a new you, a better you, the best version of yourself. Are we together? Yes. So my prime question to all of you is, who are you? So before we get into the depth of the topic, my very, very profound thanksgivings and gratitude to my brother, Dr. Harmeet and Neha, who have been a very strong bond, who work so transparently. What I know of this gentleman is that he's a giver, a selfless giver, and he works through his very pure instincts and makes a difference to people's lives. So we're really privileged to have such a wonderful soul with us who's making a difference to everybody's lives. Thank you so much, Dr. Harmeet. Yeah? Okay. Speak. Coming from experientia, we're all wanting to tap that X factor, the extraordinary inside us. And inside that X, the extraordinary, is an X, a cross. All of us indulging in self-negation, self-criticism, fears, apprehensions, inferiority complexes, nervousness, a poor self-image, and largely also originating from comparison, competition. God is so kind to all of you that what you have, nobody else has. The treasures, the gifts that you, each one of you, are a unique energy signature, and what you're born with, nobody else has. But we're too busy. That's a great presentation. He's a great spokesperson. He's become the CEO. And where am I? Comparing outside creates a poor self-image, result in self-depreciation. You can derive inspiration. Oh, he has done it, so can I. But we say, he has done it and I am not able to do it. Or maybe I cannot do it. Or maybe I'm not up to the mark. How many of you are there? Chup chup ke andar in the inner world? थोड़ा हाथ खुला खोलो यार. खुला जिन्होंने बंद करा हुआ है वो तो मैक्सिमम सेल्फ डिफेंसिव है, खोलना ही नहीं चाहते हैं वो. One gentleman तो एकदम ऐसे बैठे हैं, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. So let's have hands up, man. Come on, guys. This is going to be a real transformation. For those who don't know, I'm the trainer for Padma Shri awardees, Asian African ambassadors, corporate CEOs, senior medical fraternity, and in Glamour World, we're one of the topmost names who've made a difference to people's lives. So I'm here. This opportunity, I can assure you, somewhere can trigger the deeper you, the inner you, which would get you sailing towards your higher mission in life. So it's God's grace. So just be yourself, keep your identities aside, and be the human being who you are. So my question is, when you transcend that X, the cross inside you, in your inner world, you can actually transform into the extraordinary, which is the mission of your life. Yes, how many of us are aligned? बड़ा चुप चुप के हाथ छुपा रहे हो. So my question to you is, who are you? Please.
Winner.
Say again.
Winner.
That's your name?
That's not my name, that's my passion.
Passion. I yet have to understand the depth of what you said. So who are you? A little more explanatory and relatable.
We are all dots.
We're all dots. Nice, nice. Pre-cooked answer? So we are connecting the dots also with that spark. Very nice. So it was very profound, but we have to get to the basis and the depth of what you said. Free bird. Right. बहुत फंसे हुए लग रहे हो. You can get it. So divine spark existed within all, says the Holy Bible. And every soul is potentially divine. Only God is perfect. We're all imperfect beings trying to be better and better every day. But inside my DNA coding, inside my soul is a divine spark which is the coding of perfections driving me to be better and better. So if that divine spark, which is perfection personified, is resided inside my soul, can I genuinely be incomplete? Can I genuinely be incomplete if that Rabb is sitting inside me and is always signaling to me, get better and better? But we look at the conscious mind, which is a shallow mind, which is a comparative mind, which is always comparing with the people outside you, and generally we compare ourselves with people who are above us. And at every stage there are people above us. And the end result is, I am no good. I am not up to the mark. I cannot do it. But the fact of the matter is, what you have, nobody else has. पर हमें अपना खजाना ही नहीं खोलना आता है. The treasure you're bestowed with, we don't know how to tap it, which is encoded inside your subconscious mind. Why I'm called purely transformational? I'm not pedantic. I don't teach from books. I'm purely transformational because in existential consciousness, if you can tap your deeper self, your subconscious, which is your soul connectedness, you will know you're whole and complete. The learning is an ongoing process throughout the life, but the being who you are, who I am, is whole and complete. हम अपने को अधूरा पाते हैं, incomplete पाते हैं, inefficient पाते हैं. But contextually who we are is whole and complete. So World Health Organization says that if you want an individual to experience total wellness, you have to ensure that that individual has been able to strike a synergistic unison between 6 dimensions, which is you're riding a chariot with 6 horses, and each horse is a dimension of who you are. Can we know what are the 6 dimensions we are composed of? First dimension. Wake up. खाने से नींद तो नहीं आ रही? Or where are we? Or we're in a very deep zone. Hello, hello, hello. Exercise करवा दूंगी मैं. पहले बताओ, what is the first dimension? सब शून्य space में आ गया. First dimension of who I am, of your individuality, is your body. Being is whole. So the first dimension of who you are is your body. The second dimension of who you are is your mind. Third dimension of who you are are your emotions. Fourth is your soul. And fifth are your finances. And sixth is society. If you really see, you're a composite unit of 6 dimensions. It's like you're riding a chariot, उसके 6 घोड़े हैं. अगर एक घोड़ा मच्छर जाए and you sitting at the driver's seat as riding the chariot, can you ride that chariot? अगर एक घोड़ा मच्छरा हुआ है? Please peep into your lives and find out आपका कौन सा घोड़ा मच्छरा हुआ है. Can I have 3 answers? I generally have gift vouchers. आज बताते तो मैं gift vouchers लेके आती. सारे मच्छरे पड़े हैं. और किसका दुख की पीड़ा क्यों छू रहे हो आप प्लीज. राइट. ते ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਘੋੜਾ ਫਸਾ? बोलो बोलो प्लीज. हेलो. Health. Okay. Next. Mind. What more? Health. कुछ और नया वाला बोलो. कोई emotions बोले. बीबी प्रॉब्लम, लव प्रॉब्लम. boyfriend problem, girlfriend problem, perpetual problem? None of the problems? Lot of problems. Why? Because one horse is being thoroughly trained and getting chased in one direction. Finances के बिना life नहीं चलती, and we're all chasing that blindly. उसमें माइंड का क्या हो रहा है, इमोशंस का क्या हो रहा है, सोल का तो पता ही नहीं है. जब बॉडी छोड़ेंगे तो सोल सामने आके खड़ी, तू आया किस लिए था, तूने किया क्या इस ब्रैट रेस में, and then it's too late. So when do you really want to wake up to your true self, a holistic you? When? कब आएगा वो टाइम? जब रिटायर हो जाएंगे, तब बच्चों के बच्चे संभालेंगे हम. अपने को संभालने का हमारे पास कभी टाइम नहीं आया. So it's time to wake up to your true self and start cleaning up the blind spots. We are totally oblivious to it because we're not finding solutions. चलने दो, वो बोल रही है बोलने दो. कौन बोल रही है पता है ना सबको, मैरिड लोगों को. उनकी घबराहट से बॉटल हिल रही है. सामने बैठी हुई अकेले होते तो अलग बात होती थी. Right. So as per Maslow's hierarchy of needs, every individual has come with a purpose. See, God is very kind to all of us and we know not. We're all born with something called the willpower. No matter how harsh our past has been, and everybody has a story in their past. And वो past की story इतनी dreadful है, उसका result जो निकल के आता है, सार निकल के आता है, I am a victim. How many victims here? सिर्फ 2. How many victims here? धीमा धीमा, कितने हाथ उठे फिर मैं उठाऊंगा. आप, you're a winner. Winner दोनों.
See, I think all this wisdom has to be done in 2 parts. What works at home, what works overall. What works with your mind.
Because you separate the two, there are problems. Because you say, oh, इसको संभालना थोड़ा मुश्किल है और अलग है, मैं ऑफिस को ही संभाल लूँ.
Your questions can be answered in 2 ways.
Right. So उसको अगर एक बना लोगे तो जवाब निकल आएंगे, क्योंकि हमने 2 अलग डायमेंशन जोन उनको समझा हुआ है. Because we've created duality and we're not addressing as oneness, there is duality and we're feeling torn. We want peace, but we are in pieces, scattered and totally broken between a professional life and a personal life, and not being able to strike the balance between the two. Right? So my question, what was my question? Can somebody repeat? Victim. The past story. पीछे वाले एकदम चुप बैठे हुए कि we will just watch the ma'am. थोड़ा बोलना पड़ेगा सर, interactive session है. So victimization हुआ life में? Very nice. We have a winner here. So the victim syndrome gets you into defensive zone where you say, I have been a victim of people's wrongdoing, but I am clean. जब तक बाहर उंगली दिखाते रहोगे, you will be weakening yourself. You think you are making people responsible for their wrongdoing and you are getting exonerated is a very big misnomer. It's a myth. When you start being responsible for your own self and every aspect of your life, maybe you will start having a holistic vision and start living life and mending the dark spots of your life. So from the past, we have to take the learning. But हम past को लेके ढोते रहते हैं. In the now point, I'm not there because I'm a product of the past where I'm a victim. If in my present, my past is sitting, what is my future? What is my future? If in the present, in the now point, my past is sitting, what is my future? Gentlemen at the last, white shirt वाले, पीछे नहीं देखो, addressing you. Victim. Good one, good one. In the now point क्या है? आपके प्रेजेंट में पास्ट बैठा हुआ है तो आपका फ्यूचर क्या है? पास्ट. So you are past, and you're past, and you're past. In short, you've passed away. You're a dead body walking around like a zombie with some make-believe dreams. I will realize my dreams one day. Which are not going to happen. Hello, please wake up, because your past is past is past. With all of that, God is so kind and gracious that in the now point, you are bestowed with something called willpower. In Hindi, we call it Ichha Shakti. And Ichha Shakti comes from the etymological root which is called Ish. And Ish से क्या बना हुआ है? किसने बोला? Very good, close to Ishwar. That's why you could get it. So Ishwariya Shakti is residing inside you to actually be the designer and the curator of your now point and the future. Now, this is the now point. Past ho gaya. This is the now point. Past ho gaya. This is the now point. Past ho gaya. The life is just going out of your hands like this. And you making believe yourself that one day I will settle it. Because that sense of perfection is inside me, is always saying, something is not okay, please figure it out and fix it up. One day I'll be able to do it. It's gone. So in the now point, if you align yourself with the Ishwariya Shakti, and not as the identity, the professional you and the personal broken you, if you align yourself with the Ishwariya Shakti and connect with the universe and your better half as the Ishwariya Shakti, and start connecting at that wavelength, maybe life can start getting to open up as it should, as a pure vibration. We are so conditioned in our identities, in our professional identities, in our professional statures, in our properties, in our bank accounts, in the kind of car I drive. The who I am is just getting compromised. And then there are clashes. So for once, switch out of your professional identity and make a genuine endeavor to connect with the soul who you are. Life would be easier. I wouldn't say life would be perfect, because life is about challenging, but you will be able to manage those challenges as a warrior with positive energies around you, and you'll come out as a winner. Yeah? So being the curator. So we all have certain needs. So E se ichha ish bana hai aur ish se ichha bani hai. So the desire inside you actually is the God speaking through you. उस ईश से ईश्वर बनना है, उस ईश से इच्छा बनी है. तो आपकी जो इच्छा शक्ति है is actually a language of the ईश्वर inside you, who is wanting to get some job done for the universe. The assignments you are running is actually an assignment of the universe that you're delivering and performing. But you're trying to deliver through your limited mind, which is already a conditioned mind. Can you access the higher mind to deliver the higher mission of the universe? And then see how the openings would happen. Yeah, so we all have इच्छाएं. और आधी इच्छाएं माननी पड़ती हैं, because the bandwidth is not there to fulfill them. And we say, चल हो गया ना, finish it. So as per Maslow's theory, our demands, our needs can be structured as a pyramid with 5 tiers. First is the physiological needs, which is roti, kapda, makan. The second is security, job security. We need money to live life. Third is love and care. And fourth is self-esteem. मेरा अस्तित्व क्या है, मेरी पहचान क्या है, मेरी identity क्या है. So after all of this, we go out and start establishing the identity. And the most fundamental and the mission of your life is self-actualization. I invite you all to make some genuine endeavor to tap the real I. क्या करा है अभी तक real I के लिए? Can anybody say real I के लिए क्या किया है? Not the social I, which is a facade. Reflection बोलो.
Sitting and reflecting.
Reflecting. Action, which is the first step. Very good. Reflection, at least introspection, and really judging and evaluating and feeling that I need to do something. What more? Sorry, sir? All good things, सकारात्मक, very nice. The real I में वो real I आपसे अच्छा काम कराता है और आपको बताता है कि ये सही है गलत है, and keep doing. So you, by doing good deeds, you're in touch with the real I, and you're in peace with yourself. Yeah? You were saying something.
It's like finding your passion, what you actually want to do, and then you do it. So your real life will only lie in your passion, not in the profession.
So we were just talking to Diljit about this. Swami Vivekanand said that if you feel like playing the football, throw Bhagavad Gita away. What he was trying to say, that your passion itself is the ibadat. Your ichha itself, ichha shakti mein hi Ishwar hai. Which doesn't mean you don't read Bhagavad Gita, but whatever you do, first discover your passion, because that passion will give you deep inner connectedness. With that connectedness, you read Bhagavad Gita. Don't read it like a parrot.
Somewhere clarity of thought, clarity is ultimately something.
Clarity, confidence, conviction. But where do we get the clarity? Because we are so cluttered. ऑफिस में ये डिलीवर करना है, घर में ये डिलीवर करना है. Where is the clarity? You're not there. So a genuine endeavor to tap the real I, through the real I, आप इन आंखों से जग को देखते हो. अंतर्दृष्टि से, inner vision से तो जग को देखो. So I looked at this, I said, this is an expert can speak only when he is able to transcend the X inside him, the crosses inside him, the self-negation. A couple of speakers here who were speaking for the first time, they said, I am nervous, I am fearful, or I'm blanking out. So what is fear which stops us? Can I know two answers? What is fear? Fear of judgment. What more?
Fear of failing.
Fear of failure.
Emotion generated by us only.
Yes. Where is fear? पकड़ के दिखाओ. कहाँ है fear?
It's inside us.
Inside या पकड़ो. अंतर तो heart है, kidney है, intestines है. Fear कहाँ पे है?
That is subtle in nature.
Subtle in nature, but catch it. Who made it? Who created that fear?
Society.
You are the rachayit. Society नहीं, आपने society को माना. The rachayita, the author, the writer, you have all very creative souls. Creativity को positively use नहीं करते, negative channelize करके एक fearful story बना देते हो. These are parasitical energies which are eating up your vital positive energies. And आप रोज उसको खाना खिलाते हो. I am fearful. What will people say about me? Don't want to be laughed at. I don't think I'm capable enough. All this cock and bull story, you keep on making it up ongoingly. And then it becomes a real entity inside you. एक कच्चे पहाड़ पे जब आप चलते हो और 10 बारी चलते हो तो वहाँ एक पगडंडी बन जाती है. So when your mental energies, which are further harnessed with your emotional, spiritual, social energies, that becomes a neuron pathway. Your neurons are getting transmitted that way. That fear becomes real. And when you need the real you, it's not there because only fears. And you've harnessed them. So if I have to create a new world, it all starts with word. In the beginning was word. Word was God. Word was with God. So every religion has given us Om, Ik Onkar, Om, Amen, Amin, Ik Onkar, Aura Mazda in Parsis, Zoroastrian. And Om is a vibration. Om is a vibration, and this is the world of vibration. When this vibration grossifies into a manifestation, the starting point is a word. How do you use the word power in your inner talk, self-talk? There is a self-talk, then there's an inner voice. Self-talk is conditioned by the world outside, which says you're not up to the mark. Look, there's so many people better than you. The inner voice says I'm whole and complete. I'm perfection personified. I'm God personified. I'm goddess personified. When do you listen to your inner voice? Mari padi hai wo. बिकॉज कॉन्शियस माइंड ने फियर्स को इतना रियल बना दिया है कि आपकी इनर वॉइस, आपका रियल आई उठ ही नहीं पाता है. So you have to start a new word. Start your new world with the power of word. WORD. हर रिलीजन ने एक किताब दी हमें. श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, भगवद गीता, बाइबल और कुरान शरीफ. Why have they left a book with us? Masihas came, but they left a book of conduct, code of conduct. जिसका हम पाठ तो करते हैं पर समझते नहीं हैं. Very few really get into it. किताब पढ़ लेना भाई, दुर्गा सप्तशती पढ़ लेना, ग्रंथ साहिब पढ़ लेना. उसने सार क्या लिखा है? How many follow in real life? So in the word, you have to add an L. L is L of love. We're all born of love making of our parents. Love is the highest power coming from the unison of Shiva and Shakti. शिवा एंड शक्ति के सेक्स से ये पूरा वर्ल्ड ओरिजिन हुआ है. सो इट्स द लव मेकिंग. वी आर ऑल पावर्स ऑफ लव, ओरिजिनेटेड आउट ऑफ लव. यूज दैट पावर ऑफ लव विच इज सो इंट्रिंसिक टू योर सोल एंड ह्यूमैनिटी. And then the light, your soul has power of light. Light is the highest factor, the factor which runs at the highest speed. तो आपको जो चाहिए वो आपकी लाइट की स्पीड में है. And Shakti, you're endowed with certain powers. And I am very women-centric that way. Shakti Swarupini, Prakriti Swarupini. Every woman, after God, the most powerful entity on this planet is the woman herself. Because God creates and woman procreates. She works in partnership with God to create flesh from flesh. And how many of us are tired of our wives? Publicly नहीं बोलेंगे. वो भी हंस रहा है. आपसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे. But contextually being able to realize the better half is Shakti. नहीं कर पाते हम क्योंकि there's too much of clash that we can't resonate with the Shakti who she is. आप शिव तो बनो, शक्ति को कर लोगे, विजय प्राप्त कर लोगे. आप शिव बनो, शक्ति. हाँ जी, क्या क्या फिर से बोलिए. लाइफ में कौन कौन हैप्पी है? बहुत पर्सनल हो जाएगा. दो वो लड़ाई करवा दोगे. अगर हाँ बोलेंगे तो भी फंसेंगे, ना बोलेंगे तो झूठी होगा. राइट? तो how many wives are happy with their husbands? So actually the world we want to create, it starts with the word. Maybe ना wife को इतनी negative energy से ना देख के, if we see that she is Shakti and you're the provider, and try and resonate at a deeper level as Shiva Shakti, as resonance, as oneness, as synergy. Both of you coming from completion rather than incompletion, and then trying to strike a synergy, a symphony. Life maybe can be better. At least there's a hope to start. It's not like घर जाके चिक 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 सुनना पड़ेगा. At least you will be resonating at a certain frequency and trying to melt into one another and then create a positive life. So to create the world you want, you have to start with a strong word power. So I would say something, and I want you all to be with us on this high Siddh affirmation. I can. अब तो सुना दो आवाज शेरनियों प्लीज. I can. I will. I shall. I have already done it. I have already done it का क्या मतलब है? When you create a new future, the past is always saying, यार ये सब नहीं हो सकता है, बकवास है. You cannot do it. The preconditioning would stop you from creating a future without the grip of the past. So I have already done it. मैं जो करना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ, I have already done it. It's called future pacing. I've created the future. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं सकते हो. मेरा पास मुझे नहीं रोक सकता है. Which is me, myself. I have to stop believing and start believing in a new me, a better me, the best version of myself, the future me, without the grip of the past. So I have already done it. I'm natural. Hello? I'm natural, normal, perfect, healthy. holistically beautiful queen or a handsome king? Holistically, right. I'm a powerful leader with effective communication skills. This leadership also goes to home. आप दो dual life क्यों जीते हो? Right? So आपको बड़ी हंसी आ रही है. वो दुखती नब्ज को हम दबा रहे हैं तो उसको वो उसकी खुशी पुट के आ रही है. Great, I appreciate the euphoria. So I am a powerful leader with effective communication skills. I am complete in love, romance, relationships. Because if you keep on complaining about your wife, she will not become a better version. You can start affirming, I am complete in love, romance, relationships, which is the backbone of who you are. You cannot ignore it. Yeah? And I'm a money magnet and I attract abundance in all areas of my life. Without money, nothing happens. Right? So be it, so it is here and now. So जब आप गुरु के पास जाते हो, गुरु आपको एक blessing देता है, तथास्तु. Tat astu. What I have given you is not going to happen, it's already happened. It's like a power bank I've given you, but you have to plug it into your soul and get it internalized. But आज के गुरु थोड़े hot and sensual लगते हैं. It's camouflaged.